Hello students, Namaskar. How are you all? Hope everyone is fine and studied properly at your home. So today I will discuss with you the chapter 8, that is winds, storms and cyclones. In my early class, I already discussed about air pressure exerts, uh, about the air expanding on heating, okay, and wind currents, etc. So today we will know about thunderstorms and cyclones. Clear? So let's start about thunderstorms. It is an one type of natural disasters. Okay, it is an event in the environment in which strong winds blow accompanied by heavy rainfall, and thunder and lightning are called thunderstorms. Here, thunderstorms occur in hot and humid tropical regions mainly. Okay, these regions generally have higher temperatures, which cause winds. Here, and these hot winds, when move upward, also have water vapor within them. Okay, which freeze and fall on the earth as rain. Clear? The rainfall and rising air create lightning in the air accompanied by sound, and as a result thunderstorms occur. Okay, now the precautions that one should take during the thunderstorms. Okay, one should not take shelter under an isolated tree during storms and lightning. Clear? Instead, one can take shelter under a small trees if near forest area. Clear? Another one is one should not lie on the ground, and one should not use or carry an umbrella which has metallic rod, and one should not take shelter in an open garage, metal shed or storage shed. Clear? And one should stay away from windows and door at that time. So it is advisable to take shelter in a car for a bus. Okay, one should not stay in the water. People should try to move inside a building as soon as possible. Clear? Now we will know about cyclones. Okay, basically in case of cyclone, clouds are formed due to of water vapor in the air. Clear? So as the water turns into vapor, it takes up the heat from the atmosphere. Clear? And when the water vapors turns into clouds and fall back as raindrops, the same heat is released back into the atmosphere. Okay, so this heat warms up the air around the raindrops and the warm air starts rising. Okay, the leads to decreasing their pressure in this region. Clear? So the air from the surrounding takes place of the warm areas. The cyclones, the cycles continues until the rainfall. Okay, as a result, a very low pressure region is created and strong winds start revolving in that low pressure regions, and this is the conditions of a cyclone. Okay, so the formation of a cyclone that depends upon different factors. Okay, it may the temperature of the place, the wind speed, the direction of winds, the humidity of that place. Clear? Now we will know about the structure of a cyclone. About the structure. Okay, about the structure of a cyclone. Basically, cyclone is a rotation of air in the atmosphere at a height of around 10 to 15 kilometers. Okay, and the center of the cyclone, also which is called eye of the storms. Okay, is a clean area where there are no cloud but only light and winds. Okay, and this area ranges from 10 to 30 kilometers in diameter. Clear? The cloud regions lies around this eye and has a diameter of around 150 kilometer, and the cloud regions has a high speed wind blowing at 150 to 250 kilometer hour, accompanied by heavy rainfall. Understood? So the first indication of a cyclone can be observed when strong winds start flowing and pushing away the water from the source. Clear? Now I am going to discuss with you about the destruction caused by cyclones. Okay. Basically, cyclones can result in extremely high waves, right, in the sea or ocean because of a low temperature. Okay, these waves can be 3 to 12 meter high. Okay, so when these high waves hit the shore, it results in the destruction of life and property in a great extent. Okay, the soil of the area also loses its fertility after cyclone. Clear? So flood can be appear in rainfall continues for a longer durations, and high speed winds in the cyclone affect the telephonic communication lines. Okay, and uproot trees, damage houses and causes loss of life. Clear? Now I am going to tell you the name of two cyclones. First one is hurricanes, which is occur in American continent. Okay, and another one is typhoon, which is occur in Japan and the Philippines. Clear? Now I am going to discuss with you another natural disaster, which name is tornado. Okay, basically a tornado is a weather conditions when a cloud having a dark funnel shape reaches in the ground. Okay, and the diameter of tornado can range from 1 meter to several kilometers. Clear? The tornado can be formed within cyclone as well. So in a tornado, winds blow at a high speed of 300 kilometer per hour. What is the speed of tornado? 300 kilometer per hour. Okay. The funnel-like shapes of a tornado shocks everything that goes near it at the base because of the low temperature exerted by the winds. Clear? It then throw the things upward. Hence, tornado can be devastating. Okay. Now, how you protecting yourselves from a tornado? Okay. First of all, to protect oneself in a tornado, one should take shelter in an underground room. Okay, with no windows. If in a room with windows, one should close them and hide under a table or a workbench. Clear? And one should bow down on the knees, protecting their neck and head using their arm. Clear? Now the safety measures for cyclones. Okay. What is it? There should be a cyclone forecasting service that can warn the people of a particular area that can be hit by a cyclone. Clear? So the speed of winds play a major role in predicting any calamity like cyclones. Hence the speed of wind in coastal areas should be measured regularly. Okay, and anemometer is device that can measure the speed of the wind. Okay. Another one, the warning should be communicated rapidly to the citizens. Ships that are sailing in the sea, government agencies and fishermen as well. Along with this, cyclone shelter should not build coastal areas, and agencies should be appointment who can help the people at the time of calamity. Okay. Now I am going to discuss with you how individuals can protect themselves from a cyclone. Okay, first of all, one should not ignore the warning given by the weather forecasting team. Okay, if you can, you must move to safety place, clear, and carry all your important belongings with you, clear. One should not drive on a road that have standing water, as they might be damaged, clear. Another one is one should keep all the emergency number with themselves so that they can seek help when required, clear. Now, what to do if you are living in a cyclone hit area? Okay, first of all, the water in such regions can be contaminated. Hence, one should make sure if the water is safe and only then drink it. Okay, and one should stay away from power lines for electrical switches for any kind, clear. Next is one should stay at home or at the shelter and should not move out unnecessarily, clear. One should not put unnecessary demands to the rescue team and should cooperate with them, clear. And one should help each other in such situation, understood. Now, role of technology in predicting and protecting from the cyclone. Okay, as you know that the satellite and radars have made it possible to predict cyclones, okay, ahead of time, so that appropriate precautionary measures can be taken accordingly, clear. And there are now several national and international organizations that monitor cyclones related issues. Okay, generally a cyclones watch, okay, or a cyclone and alert is issued every 48 hours in advance if a storm is expected in an area. Okay, then a cyclone warning is issued before 24 hours, and this warning is then broadcast in the area after intervals of half an hour or 1 hour, clear. Okay students, till that if you have any queries or questions, kindly ask me. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.